वैष्णव जन तो तेणे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेणे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, मन अभिमान न आणे रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिजे। A happy morning to one and all. Today, this 2nd October, we, the Indians, are celebrating the birth anniversary of two great personalities of our country. One is Lal Bahadur Shastri and the other is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Whereas the whole world is celebrating today, that is 2nd October, as International Day of Non-Violence by giving tribute to the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi. And the Department of Education and School Literacy, or you can say the Ministry of Education, is commemorating this 1920 year. That means from 2nd October 2019 to 2nd October 2020 as the 150th birth anniversary of Gandhiji by organizing various activities, programs on Gandhian philosophy. Gandhiji was a great thinker, social reformer, educationist. His philosophy is based on truth, non-violence and satyagraha. Satyagraha means satya plus agraha, which means that which holds the truth firmly. That means satyagraha. According to Gandhiji, the value like truth, non-violence, satyagraha, honesty, fearless, sacrifice, faith, humanity, discipline, be kind to animals and nature, dignities of labor are the basis of life. During his teenage, I am here to cite an example. During his teenage, he had a bad company and indulged in bad practices. Later, he realized and informed his father, describing all the matters by writing in a paper, and asked him for punishment and promised he will never repeat this mistake again. His father read this letter and tore it off without uttering a word. But he felt very unhappy. Later, Gandhiji realized that how much his father loved him. This shows the truthfulness and honesty of Gandhiji. Another incident I want to cite here related to his honesty and truthfulness. When he was studying in school, one day his teacher was dictating some words in English. With the teacher dictate words, no, like that. His teacher was dictating words. And what happened, he was committing or writing a word wrongly. His teacher saw the mistake. And on that day, the school inspector had visited the school. When the teacher saw that Gandhiji had committed a mistake, his teacher insisted him and given clue to copy the wrongly written word from his friends. But Gandhiji refused to copy from others. Later, when the teacher asked to Gandhiji, why you had not followed me, he, means Gandhiji, gently replied that we should be honest and truthful in our work and duties. Dear students, this shows that he had inculcated the values from his early childhood, from his childhood. His popular definition in education, I mean the all-round drawing out the best in child and man, body, mind and spirit, signifies development of human personality like physical, mental, social and spiritual development. Its concept of basic education, that is craft-centered education, to make people self-dependent, self-sufficient. Its moral values-based education has great importance on the present education system. He also emphasized the medium of instruction for children of primary classes should be in their mother tongue. He emphasized on 3H, means head, heart and hand, means which depicts the three domain of learning, that is cognitive, means mental, affective, means heart, that is emotion related to emotion, and hand, that is psychomotor skill. So he emphasized on this. He advocated free and compulsory education for all from the age group between 7 to 14 years of children. The school should be a place for activity where the child gets busy in various experiments and gains new experiences. And the education should create useful, responsible and dynamic citizens. All the ideologies of Gandhiji has been accepted and embedded in different educational policies, may it be the National Education Commission, from Kothari Commission, then NP 1968, NP 1986, and now the NP 2020 followed his ideologies. So, by accepting and implementing his ideologies in our day-to-day life, I am sure one can definitely succeed in his life and become a responsible citizen of our country. Also, will be able to inspire the whole world by his ideas of truth, non-violence, peace and love. So, with this, thank you and have a happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.